Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to hack one of the best games of 2014, which is Asphalt Overdrive. This hack is working on all iOS and Android devices. Okay, I will show you how to install it. First of all, you need to download the hack tool from this website. After that, you must connect your phone to your computer or Mac via USB cable, and after that you can start the hack. Okay, my phone is already connected and I started the hack tool. Now you must connect your phone with the hack tool, and for that press the connect button. Here my iPhone 5s is connecting with the hack tool. Okay, the phone is connected now. After that you can choose from these options: add gold, how many gold you want, and bills. After that you can press the start button. This is the final step, which will load all these resources into your phone. Okay, how I was saying, this actually is working on both iOS and Android devices. It's working 100%, it's safe, it's tested, and if you will follow all the steps from the video you will have no problem. Okay, we are almost done. After the installation completes, you can unplug your phone and you can play the game with all these resources updated. And that's all. Thank you for watching guys, enjoy.